Coffee pots are not just a trending product, they are multi-billion-dollar global business. And if you understand how to source them from India, structure your pricing, and build distribution, you can turn this into a highly profitable import and resale business. Watch till then because I will break down how the coffee pot business work, where to source this product from India, real world cost and profit margin, packaging, certification, and mistake to avoid before start. Why coffee pots are a great business? Coffee consumption is shifting from instant coffee, premium pots, and capsule system. Why people love pots? Quick brewing, consistent taste, growing cafe culture, home coffee trend after COVID, premium lifestyle product, growing demand across Africa, Middle East, Europe, USA, small cafeterian chain, and boutique stores. This means huge opportunities for importer, private label brands, and resellers. These tiny coffee pots sell in international market in $1 to $3 per pot. If you want to know more about it, watch this video till the end. How you actually make money? There are three main ways to build a coffee pot business. Number one, import and resell branded coffee pots. Buy Indian brands, distribute in your country, sell online and retail. Number two, private label, white label coffee pots. Work with Indian manufacturers, brand under your own label, high profit margin. Number three, bulk wholesale to cafe, office and horeca sector. Large repeat order, consistent monthly revenue. Most profitable, private label plus B2B wholesaler. There are many coffee flavors available in the market, so you can do some research and find something new and unique coffee flavor that you can introduce in your country and make a good business. Sourcing from India, where and how to buy. India has established a coffee roasting ecosystem, competitive pricing, flexible customizations, premium quality Arabic and robust beans. You can source from premium Indian coffee brands, OEM manufacturers, private label factories. Before finalizing a supplier, ask for samples, check machine compatibility, confirm pod materials, aluminum, plastic, biodegradable, verify shelf life and freshness, ask for batch roasting date, request export friendly packaging. Let's talk about the business math because profit is in the numbers. Factory price per pod in India. Basic single origin pots 12 to 18 rupees. Premium flavored pots 20 to 30 rupees. Private label customized pot 25 to 40 rupees. Additional cost secondary packaging 1 to 3 rupees per pot. Label and branding 0.5 to 1 rupees per pot. Cartoon box and peddling 0.5 to 1 rupees per pot. Consolidation and handling 1 to 2 rupees per pot. International shipping 3 to 10 rupees per pot depending on weight and volume. Import duty and local tax country dependent. Average landed cost per pot 20 to 55 rupees per pot. That means 25 cents to 70 cents per pot. Selling price and profit margin. Retail sell price in many countries. Supermarket, online. $1.2 to $2.5 per pot. Premium specialty brands. $2.8 per pot. Profit margin example. If landed cost is $0.5 per pot, selling price is $1.8 per pot, gross profit per pod is $1.3. Pack of 20 cost $10, sells $36, profit $26 per pack. Margin become higher with private label, bulk wholesale, subscription models. Ideal customer segment to target. Your buyer are cafe and small coffee chains, office and co-working spaces, online store customers, supermarket and grocery stores, Amazon and Shopify buyers, hotel and hospitality supply. Repeat demand is equal to recurring revenue business. Before importing, check this certificate. Food safety and hygienic certificate, ingredient lists and allergens, roasting batch traceability, country specific labeling rules, shelf life requirements, organic and fair trade if marketed as premium, and for private label, ask for export documentation support. Strong branding increase selling price. Premium box design. Box should be looking premium. Clear flavor mention. It should have clearly mentioned that which flavor it have. Compatibility mention. Eco-friendly packaging option available. Box should be eco-friendly. Barcode and batch code print like this. Multilingual if requirement. Premium packaging means premium price. Common mistake to avoid before import. Importing without testing test quality. It is very important to test before importing in bulk. So always ask for sample. Ignoring compatibility issue. Choosing cheapest pot over best flavors. Not checking packaging durability. Packaging durability is very important because if your box will get damaged, your product will get damaged and it will have leakage. Miscalculating shipping weight. Buying from traders instead of manufacturers. Always inspect, consolidate and verify before buying. How I help buyer as a sourcing and export partner. If you want, find reliable coffee pod manufacturers from India. Get sample tested. Verify supplier authenticity. Consolidate order from multiple suppliers. Ensure safe packaging and export documentation. I help you with end-to-end sourcing, inspection, and export documentation from India. If you are planning to start a coffee pod import or private label business, drop a comment or send me a message. I will guide you step by step and help you to connect with trusted manufacturers in India.